Hi Virgos, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Not Virgos, sorry. Hi Libras, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers, guys? This is the reading for the zodiac sign Libras for the month of June 2021. And yeah, this is a reading for. Relationship, career, financial life, situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. You are going through this currently, okay? Also, one more thing, guys. If you really wish to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below, okay? So yeah, let's see what Libras are going through in the month of June 2021. Okay, so it's a situationship reading. Okay, so yeah, you feel, Libras, that there is a lack of understanding into a situation. Okay, like lack of understanding into a situation. Okay. You are feeling exhausted because there is some wish fulfillment which is not happening, or there is some situation you are going through currently, Libras. Okay, you are waiting for some sort of a major abundance or breakthrough in your life, major money related things. Okay, you feel that delays are happening into your situation, things are slowing down. So that's the thing. Okay, so yeah, you feel that there are few people who are related to your past life, okay, or to whom you have already met. That those might be a karmic relationship or soulmate relationship as well. Okay, it depends. So yeah, okay, so you are going through a lot of realizations about the people around you, about yourself, okay, and the things like that. Wow, who are good for you, who are not good for you, a lot of realizations are happening. Okay, you need to take a risk, you are thinking to take a risk. There is some major changes are going to happen, not this month, at least June, but in the month of June or July, uh, changes are happening and you are about to take a major risk into your life. New beginning, new career, new relationship, new situationship. Okay, that might be thing. You're going through some major spiritual process, a spiritual awakening, Libras. You are being very lazy in the month of June, guys, or you have been very lazy from last 9 months. Okay, so it depends from person to person. Okay, so yeah, so, okay, your third eye chakra is opening, major realizations. Okay, like yes, major realizations are happening. So yeah, okay, I'm just being comfortable, guys. Okay, so, okay, okay, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Endings and new beginnings, major changes are on the horizon. Something is ending, something is starting. Past broken relationship, past, you are moving on from your past. Okay, which disappointed you for a while, but you are ready to move on. Okay, which is very good. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. You're holding back your money very wisely in the month of June. Okay, like you are spending very wisely. Okay, also if you are thinking to spend in a real estate, this time is good, Libras. Okay, you are guarding your walls up, like no one can interfere into your own boundaries. You're guarding your walls up, Libras, which is way too good. Okay, yes, spiritual awakening is happening. You are no more waiting for recovery of money. If there was money which needs to be recovered, you are no more going to wait for it. You are going to take action against it. Okay, your third eye chakra is opening. You are reaching to the higher vibrational level of spirituality. Okay, if you are going through some legal divorce or some legal court case, okay, it be careful because it might not be into your favor, so you need to wait, or it will not end as easily as possible, at least. Okay, so yeah, you need to think about it. Okay, so yeah, Okay. So two people at a distance, fightings, issues, problems are going on, or thinking about being with each other, but either physically detached or emotionally detached or spiritually detached. Okay, or in a separation currently. Okay, or not talking to each other, less or no communication. There's a wish fulfillment which is not happening right now, the brass. Why it's happening right now during this time? I'm having so many twin flame connection readings right now for almost all the zodiacs. So yeah, you're daydreaming about the money, you're daydreaming about achieving something. Okay, so yeah, there might be an interference into your relationship of your mother. Okay, into a relationship, or someone else's mother. Okay, so yeah, interferences is going on. Okay, so yeah, a lot of opportunities are not that good. Okay, so yeah, it's like you're waiting for an opportunity related to money, career, or relationship. Okay, but those opportunities are not coming, or that's why you're not able to take action in a relationship. When it comes to financial life and career, you're waiting for a lot of opportunities, but it's coming towards you and making a u-turn and going. Okay, that's the problem. Also, I just feel that you are into your own power in the month of June, which is way too good. Okay, yes, you need to make a decision related to a third party situation for some of you. Okay, Libras, you need to make a decision related to a third party situation, or else make a decision, you need to make a decision related to a reconciliation, or few of you might be giving a birth to a child this month, or some of you might be become pregnant. Okay, Libra feminines might hear a news of pregnancy. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm telling you all the scenarios, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, what is the life purpose? Let's see. Okay, your life purpose, you might spend time a lot with children's, or spending time in a school, or teaching children, something like that. You might be waiting for traveling, or you might travel somewhere. You might be thinking of traveling or starting a business related to traveling. You are being very emotional and sensitive in the month of June. Okay, you might become a tarot card reader or oracle cards. You might spend time in knowing and predicting future of yours as well as others. Okay, Libras, a few of you might change a path, like may change a career path. Okay, so yeah, career path needs to be changed. Okay, few of you might start a new career or think about starting a new career, because due to this pandemic a lot of life has been lost, or career problems are there, correct? That's why some of you might start a career related to music or music classes, or might do a seminar or a concert online. Okay, you are being very strong in the month of June. Okay, everything you have experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous, which is way too good. Okay, so yeah, let's see what your love life is telling you to do. Love life, let's see. Oh, love life. Okay, let's see. Okay, you might be attracted to someone. Okay, or your romantic love life is going on way too good than you thought. Okay, so yeah, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Addictions are affecting your love life. Okay, so some of you might be into a codependent relationship with your parents, or in with your spouses. It can be anything, any karmic relationship, or with someone into your family or into your friendship, or you might be smoking, drinking, or something like that. Be careful about it, guys. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Okay, do whatever fuck you wanna do. Okay, don't think about others, guys. Okay, you are definitely in a separation and dealing with a twin flame connection. Okay, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. You are already in separation, guys, or you are about to get separated from your partner. This reading is only for twin flame connection, not for everybody. Okay, so yeah, Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. You feel a lot of passion about your person. Also, one more thing, you need to release your acts. This time is to clear your energy and move on. Self love and self care will heal you up. Okay, so half of the people are in separation, okay, dealing with twin flame connection. Half of the people are dealing with karmic connection, and they need to release their ex. The people who are dealing with karmic connection, they need to release their ex and move on. The people who are dealing with separation and twin flame connection, they will reconcile, but for that also they need to move on. They need to love themselves more. Self love and self care, okay, that's the thing. So yeah, you are getting to know each other. Okay, so few of the Libras has just met few people, okay, recently, and getting to know each other. They are thinking to spend time with each other, loving the time they are getting from each other. Okay, forgiving and learning. You are forgiving certain things and learning and healing your heart chakra, which is very good. Your soulmate, okay, to whomsoever you will marry, that will be very different, okay, that will be opposite to you, not like you. Okay, so have an open mind if you are looking for marriage thing, okay, because angel will be giving you a correct person, but you know you're thinking whatever it is of a soulmate that might differ from your usual type. Okay, Libras. Okay, this is a reading. Okay, I hope you like this reading, Libras. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.